We are 15 minutes now from the race start. 15 minutes from the race start, Hugh.
And then
Vladimir Karpit, of course, has been doing a lot of work this week as he makes his way up the steps. And with him, give him a big round of applause.
What, have you enjoyed the Tour of Britain this year?
Yeah, it has been a really nice race. A lot of people is following us. It's really nice.
Now, what about today? A massive crowd in London. You fancy your chances for a...
3 minutes away. We've got to... No, we'll get...
Thank you, Peter. 2 to go, and we'd like to welcome now Mr. John Neate, Chief Executive of the Prostate Cancer Charity.
Who's got his medal on after riding the Tour ride earlier on today, Hugh.
He certainly has, and the man that will be riding in the Prostate Cancer Charity Blue Points jersey today is from Australia.
Edvald Boasson-Hagen took over for a few days.
2 minutes to go to the start. 2 minutes to the start.
Ben Swift then took the stage win for Great Britain. Watches, you better work out the average speed. I reckon it's going to be, what, 28 miles an hour average today?
Yeah, I mean, probably a carbon copy of the speed we did that lap in.
Absolutely, yeah. Well, we'll sprint up the finishing straight.
1 minute to go. 60 seconds depart.
Okay, we're going to start counting down till the race start. We're going to ask you all to count down with us from 10 down to 1 when we get there. And Peter Henley is dropping the flag for the race start in just a few moments' time.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're away.
The Tour of Britain riders are now underway. There we go. 91 riders. Walk us through the course, just so we all know again where they're going each lap, and then we'll settle down and enjoy the action. You can bang the doors, everybody. Just be careful of hanging flags and things over the fencing, and just be careful with that, and coats and young children and things like that. Right, the course leader.
Victoria Embankment up the 10th Street, all the way to the gentle climb, slightly uphill of Tower Hill, and then they turn to retrace on lower 10th Street, and then they pick up the fourth district sign about 100 metres before the bridge over Waterloo Bridge, and then it's all flat all the way to the line.
Just the team cars behind the peloton. Of course, if anyone has a puncture or a mechanical problem, then the team car will look after them. They'll service them, they'll change their wheels or head their gears, and if they have a crash or anything, they'll help them just get back, pick up a roll together and get back into the peloton. Right,
video camera audio, haven't they? Yeah. They have a fundraiser. Oh, they got